పాయింట్అవుట్ న్యూస్, మన కోసం, మన ముందు తరాల కోసం.
Impact of this is straight on the Lanka villages and also on the villages abutting the banks. So these are the areas that you seriously need to be focused on. Please make sure that all the villages are evacuated. People are shifted into the camps so that we have no situation of life loss anywhere. That is one very important aspect that you need to be considering. And also, whichever are the affected villages, map these affected villages, be very liberal while you map these villages. This freedom I'm giving you. Please be very humanitarian, please be very empathetic when you're mapping these villages. Here and there, even if you were to map a couple of villages more, I still would not mind. But please do not map less. This is one thing that all of you please bear in mind. Be very empathetic, and together we would have to find solutions, and together we would have to handle the situation. And ekkadaina kuda evari daggara nunchaina kuda, if there is shortcoming on response, please stay in touch with CMO. So please make sure that any shortcomings, ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఏ సెక్రటరీ నుంచి అయినా ఏ హెచ్ఓడి దగ్గర నుంచి అయినా ఎక్కడి నుంచి అయినా కూడా ఎనీ ఇష్యూ ఉన్నా కూడా ప్లీజ్ ఫీల్ ఫ్రీ టు కాల్ అస్ అండ్ వీఆర్ అవైలబుల్ టు యూ. ఓకే, అండ్ 5 senior officers కూడా we are posting right away. Next 24 hours are going to be very critical. All the SPs and the collectors, please be on your toes. Please ensure that your teams are also on your toes. The next 24 hours are going to be very critical. So please be on high alert. Okay.